Hey guys, so today is Friday and I'm trying to pack my suitcase right now. I was gonna do a whole pack with me video, but I was thinking about like how long it actually takes me to pack a suitcase, and it's long. I take a very long time to pack, and most things I don't pack until like the next day, like my makeup and all the stuff I like still need like the next day because I leave tomorrow to go back home. So yeah, I got my eyelashes done today. Hey! So I'm like so obsessed with them. So now I don't have to like wear as much makeup anymore, which rocks. So I could pack less. I like just got my eyelashes done just for going home, just for convenience. But yeah, so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit in between my packing. This will be a 2-day travel home vlog for my VLOGMAS. And so I leave tomorrow, which will be Saturday. And so you guys will probably be watching this on Sunday or Monday, whenever it goes up, when I can edit it. But yeah. I don't know why I wanted to share this, but I just thought it was really cool. I got this travel, I probably should have put the bottles back in the bag, but I got this like travel sized bottle kit from Target, and it has 3 of these kind of bottles with like this kind of top, you know, and then it has a spray bottle and like that little guy, and it's so cool. And it came with like stickers for everything to label your bottles, and it was so convenient. I got my shampoo, I have one for my simple makeup remover and another for my simple moisturizer. This is the conditioner one, but you know what I mean. But it was really cool, so I thought I'd share that. Yeah. I also switched up my hair care routine a little bit. I know I suck because I just made a hair care routine video, but I now use the coconut milk organics shampoo and conditioner, and I freaking love it. It makes my hair so soft. And yeah, I think I mentioned that I liked the coconut milk products because I do use I use this guy as well on my hair, and just this trio, it's amazing on my hair because it's so like bleached and dry. But yeah, a little hair care routine update, I guess. I decided not to put my moisturizer in one of these guys because like it's 4.2 fluid ounces, and I'm checking a bag anyways, and I don't use a whole lot of moisturizer, so I didn't want to like waste some by putting it in one of these containers. But I got my makeup remover and my shampoo and conditioner. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this. I'm weird. I'm sorry. I just really like this. I don't know. So I've made a little bit of progress. I got jeans. That's my skirt for Christmas. Leggings and shirts and sweaters. Yeah, that's all I really got done. Maybe I haven't made any progress. So I'm packing in my super clutch vacuum space bag, and there's a freaking rip in it. Look at it. It's totally closed, like sealed shut, and then this outer part is like ripped. I tried to tape it, but it didn't work. So that's my life right now. I texted my mom and told her that this space bag is broken. Also, I'm wearing a hat and I kind of look like a robber. And she told me that we might have more at her house. So that's the good news. Bad news is I'm gonna have to repack, and I'm lazy, so it kind of sucks. But my flight's not until like 5 o'clock, so I'll have some time. So since my space bag is broken and I need to wait to get another one for my mom's if she has another one, I'm gonna pack up my makeup. So this is my makeup bag that I use, and oh my god, this is so dirty. Okay, I brushed it off so it's a little cleaner now, but this is what I use for traveling in my makeup bag. Yeah, and it has a little hook at the top. I just got it from Target like a while ago. Yeah, So I'm gonna pack up my makeup. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm leaving today, and I got a new space bag, and hopefully this one isn't broken. So I'm gonna switch all my stuff into the non-broken space bag. These things are literally life. If you're ever traveling and you want to fit a lot of stuff, Ziploc space bags, they are bomb because they just suction everything and make it like so easy to like overpack, because I always overpack. But yeah, it's all suction now. And this one was actually smaller than this one. You can kind of tell it's like a little smaller, so it's a bit more of a challenge, but I got it and I suctioned it. Gone to the airport. Say hi. Look at it, he got me a Snoopy, a Christmas Snoopy. This is Austin. He was in another vlog.
Hi.
Look, I packed my makeup bag and my carry-on because I don't trust the luggage people throwing my luggage around. It'll crack and break my makeup, you know? You know what I mean? I'm in the car and I'm home, and my sister's driving, and that's her friend. And look at Skylar! Say hi. Oh, you're shy. Okay, whatever. But yeah, now I'm home. I don't know what else to vlog because I'm home. So yeah. So I'm back home and it's like midnight. I haven't been able to go to sleep yet. But yeah, I had a good flight. It was actually kind of scary because there was like some snow, like just like a little snowstorm coming into Chicago, and so there's like tons of turbulence, and it was kind of freaky. And like looking out the window, you just couldn't see anything because we were like in clouds, and kind of freaked me out a little bit there, you know. But it was all good, landed good, and yeah, everything was good. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this because I need to go to sleep because it's midnight. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be vlogging more while I'm home for Vlogmas and all that good stuff. Yeah. So yeah, keep up with me, subscribe, whatever. Yeah. Alright. I love you. Bye guys.